Hey guys, John Lee here, and I just want to make this quick video in case you're having trouble like I did with the video editor inside YouTube. Now normally what I do is edit all my videos in Camtasia. However, I'd uploaded the video already, I'd optimised the video, used my thumbnail, I'd done, it was all done, I didn't want to touch it, and normally I just carry on with my thing and I never replay the videos, and I thought I'd just replay this video, and then it dawned on me that I'd actually forgotten that I'd made a mistake in this video and I'd sworn, so I was stuck. I didn't want to re-upload the video and re-optimize it, so I thought I'd try and use the editor within the YouTube studio. Now I clicked on the editor and there's no tutorials at all on how to use this, so it was a bit trial and error for me, but I worked out what you need to do if you need to delete a section. If you bring the timeline, bring this indicator here to the part in the video that you want to get rid of, click the trim button, actually you don't do that, cancel that. I know what I'm doing wrong here now. Right. So you bring this indicator here to the point in the timeline that you want to get rid of. You click trim, click split, and you bring this blue line to where you want to delete. Now once you get there, you think, right, I want to delete that. There's no delete button, and there's nowhere on here that tells you, like there's no rubbish bin icon or anything like that. There's a little cross up there which if you hover over that, it says undo split, and all it does is undo the split. So what you need to do is click on the preview button, and you can play the video and you can work out whether you've got the whole section that you want to get rid of. And if that is the whole section, this is where the play button is.
Internet marketing.
So if you bring that back here, obviously it's going to be a bit weird because it's
huge variety of and internet marketing.
So if that is the correct area, also you don't have to do it again for another video. Again for the same video. If you click on that, edit trim, click split, and so that's another section that you want to get rid of. Click on the preview button, and all you have to do to delete that and that is click on the save button, just like that. And then once you press save, I don't want to do that, but once you press save, that will delete those sections of the video, and then you can carry on. So I hope that was helpful. As there's no tutorials in here, it's just a quick video onto the show. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in another video.